All right, math homework. This is just good practice to get used to having the math homework and to get used to using the video to help you understand your math homework. So today's math homework, originally I was going to have you guys work on 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. But then I noticed a couple of typos that the author had in here. For example, here they said if the bank is 5 stories tall, how many stories does the bank have? It should be 5. The answer key says 12. Doesn't make any sense. So I think they used the word bank incorrectly. So I said, you know what, instead of having you guys work on this, because I notice every year that this kind of confuses folks more than anything, the check for understanding is the most important part. So your homework was just get the check for understanding done, find this video and use the video to help you, because sometimes, I will have a video to help you through the homework. So check for understanding. Do you understand how to find a third of 24? Do you understand that fractions of something is multiplication is your operation when you're finding a fraction of something? So you're going to find 1/3 of 24 and you're going to find 2/3 of 24. And we're going to come up with those answers. Okay. So first of all, if you haven't done so already, try those right now. Pause the video and try those. And then unpause it and we'll see if you did it right. So pause. Unpause. Here we go. We're going to see if you did it right. I'm going to change my camera real quick. There we are. First, we want to say, okay, 24 is the whole group, but we just want to figure out what 1/3 of 24 is. So 1/3 of means multiply, and 24. And 24 is the same thing as 24 over 1. And 24 times 1 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3. And we are going to have to pull as many 3's out because 24/3 is bigger than a whole, which of course it is, because 1/3 of 24 is going to be bigger than one whole, right? It's going to be a group of wholes. So let's figure it out. Let's count by 3's, because every 3, because this is how many you have, this is how many you need for a whole, every 3 is a whole. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. That means there's 8 holes in there. So that answer is 8. Now we have 2/3 of 24. And same thing. Multiply across, you get 48 thirds. Now I understand, because you guys had an odd year last year, a lot of you struggle with division. So we are going to take some time on division and multiplication. How many 3's go into 4? 1. Subtract. How many 3's go into 18? So how many 3's go into 18? 6. Nothing's left over, so that answer is 16. So, which makes sense, because if 1/3 is 8, wouldn't 2/3 be double 8? So your homework, all you have to understand is one-third times 24 is 8. 2/3 times 24 is 16. And if you got those answers correct and you understand them, then you are on par for the unit, and you're doing just fine and dandy. All right, thanks for watching, and tomorrow's math lesson will feel a lot like today's.